Latest developments in Google Cloud Platform services. AI and machine learning innovations. Vertex AI enhancements. Vertex AI, Google Cloud's managed ML platform, has new updates. They simplify and speed up ML workflows. The latest features include pre-built ML models. Google has added more pre-trained models. They let developers add AI without needing much training data or expertise. AI support, using generative AI models for apps like NLP and image generation. Generative AI Studio. One of the most exciting announcements is the Generative AI Studio within Vertex AI. This tool lets businesses experiment with custom generative AI models. These models are for specific uses, like chatbots, creative design, and predictive analytics. Google Cloud Spanner, more flexibility and scalability. Cloud Spanner is Google's global database service. It has received several updates to improve its usability and performance. Broad coverage of agile frameworks. Unlike certifications that focus on a specific framework, like Scrum or SAFe, PMI-ACP covers a wide range of agile methods, including Scrum, Kanban, Lean, Extreme Programming, XP, Test-Driven Development, TDD. JSON data support. Developers can now store and query JSON data directly. This makes Spanner more versatile for modern app development. Granular pricing options. A new pricing model helps businesses save money by scaling resources better. BigQuery Omni. BigQuery Omni, Google's multi-cloud analytics tool, now supports more data sources and regions. Businesses can analyze data across Google Cloud, AWS, and Azure. It requires no data movement, which reduces latency and complexity. Chronicle Security Operations. Google's cloud-native security information and event management (SIEM) platform, Chronicle, has introduced improved threat detection capabilities using AI/ML algorithms. Hybrid and multi-cloud solutions. Onthos updates. Google's hybrid and multi-cloud platform, Onthos, has added features. They simplify deployments and improve compatibility. Onthos config management, enhanced tooling for managing configurations across multiple environments. Dual Run for legacy modernization. Dual Run is a new service aimed at helping organizations modernize legacy systems. It lets businesses run old and modern systems at once during migration. This minimizes disruptions and reduces risk. Networking and edge computing improvements. Google Cloud Network Analyzer. The Network Analyzer tool gives real-time insights into network performance and config. It enables faster troubleshooting and optimization. Cloud CDN upgrades. Google has improved its Cloud CDN with advanced caching. This has sped up content delivery and cut costs. 5G Edge services. Google's partnerships with telecom providers have expanded. This enables businesses to deploy 5G Edge solutions for ultra-low latency apps like IoT and AR/VR. In conclusion, the latest updates to Google Cloud Platform show Google's commitment to innovation, security, and sustainability. GCP's AI tools, data analytics, and security features empower businesses. They serve various industries with developer-friendly solutions.